Hello, everyone. You often ask me what benefits this ENSolarX gives or what makes it easier. So I'll tell you a few short topics. Take a look. Here I have two pieces. Here, it's just two sixes installed. One is open, so you know how to connect them so you can see what's what, how to connect. And now we have an application here. First of all, in addition to the fact that we can see everything that's happening on our installation, i.e., the entire energy storage with details, we can see what's happening from the inverter. Here's the second account, which is not connected. This is the inverter that's here. The data from this one is here. This is the data from this inverter, currently current. Take a look. We have a refresh every few seconds, not every few or a dozen minutes. This is 2. This device, as you can see, is here. Here's the input to the network, and it can automatically disconnect the network for you. Now you can see the diode is not lit because the network is disconnected, which gives us savings. I know 2-3 tens a day, because this inverter, even when it is not drawing and is working off the grid, but is connected to the network, it is drawing something from it, and here it is already 2 or 3 tens in the back. That's one. Another thing is that we have such a smooth regulation relay here, only here is a small modification. It is not connected all the way yet, and here the heater will be connected, and we can control the heater smoothly, or on-off redirecting excess energy to some water tank, and so on. More savings. So look, here I have on the table, on the chair, I have exactly what BMSs can be connected. Look, here it works with an inverter JK, for example. 1. Here's the second BMS QUCC. It works with the second Solar XM. It also works with such a BMS JK. With this black one, it also works with practically every BMS available on the market. There are such Chinese BMSs with which there are problems, but these are some no-name, which are hard to tell what company it is. So here, there may indeed be some communication problems, or that it will not respond at all. Next month, we plan to add Saplosa, because it is already on the table. So here there will be a full spectrum, probably of the market BMSs that can be connected. When it comes to inverters, all these Chinese, some Asunas, these SMG, SML, Paulins, Deje Groets, SM, God, 6,000, 5,000 so far. And all these Chinese market products, generally most of them can handle it without a problem. I mean, EnSolar can handle it. You have here a few different types of outputs for BMSs, for heaters, for inverters, Wi-Fi. It is like the guts inside here. This is how this device looks normally. Here it has communication diodes, and this is how it works here. As you can see, this spider's web has already been pulled down, more or less. So in the next video, we will say something more about Home Assistant, because the first such movements that you can test are already appearing there. So I invite you to subscribe, like, and so on and so forth. There will be more of these materials about this device. Greetings to all. Until next time, take care. Bye.